Biology Chapter 8 Cell The Unit of Life of Class 11 Endomembrane System Each of the membranous organelle is distinct in terms of its structure and function. Many of these are considered together as an endomembrane system because their functions are coordinated. The endomembrane system includes endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, and vacuoles. Endoplasmic reticulum Tiny tubule structures scattered in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells is called endoplasmic reticulum (ER). ER divides the intercellular space into two distinct compartments, that is luminal inside ER and extraluminal cytoplasm. ER is of two types, rough and smooth. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum bearing ribosomes on their surface is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. RER is frequently observed in the cells actively involved in protein synthesis and secretion. They are extensive and continuous with the outer membrane of nucleus. Smooth, smooth endoplasmic reticulum SER. In the absence of ribosome, they appear smooth and are called smooth endoplasmic reticulum SER. It is the major site for synthesis of lipid. In animal cells, lipid-like steroidal hormones are synthesized in SER. Golgi apparatus. Chameleon Golgi first observed densely stained reticular structure near the nucleus in the nerve cell of owl. These were later named Golgi bodies after him. They consist of many flat disc-like sacs or cristae of 0.5 micrometer to 1.0 micrometer diameter. These are stacked parallel to each other. Varied number of cisternae are present in the Golgi complex. The Golgi cisternae are concentrically arranged near the nucleus with distinct convex Cs or the forming phase and concave trans or the maturing phase. The Cs and the trans phases of the organelle are entirely different from interconnected. Functions of Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus principally perform the function of packaging material to be delivered either to the intracellular targets or secreted outside the cells. Material to be packaged in the form of vesicles from the endoplasmic reticulum fuse with the Cs phase of the Golgi apparatus and move towards the maturing phase. A number of proteins synthesized by ribosome on the endoplasmic reticulum are modified in the cisternae of the Golgi apparatus before they are released from its trans phase. Golgi apparatus is the most important site of formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. Lysosomes. These are membrane-bound vesicular structure formed by the process of packaging in the Golgi apparatus. They have been found to be very rich in the almost all type of hydrolytic enzymes, hydrolysis, lipase carbohydrates, optimally active at the acidic pH. These enzymes are capable of digesting carbohydrates, proteins, lipids and nucleic acids. Vacuoles. The vacuole is the membrane-bound space found in the cytoplasm. It contains water, sap, excretory product and other materials not useful for the cells. The vacuole is bound by a single membrane called tonoplast. In plant cells, the vacuole can occupy up to 90% of the volume of the cell. In plants, the tonoplast facilitates the transport of a number of ions and other materials against concentration gradient into the vacuole. Hence, their concentration is significantly higher in the vacuole than in the cytoplasm. In amoeba, the contractile vacuole is important for excretion. In many cells, as in protists, food vacuoles are formed by engulfing the food particles. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is changed specifically to observe under microscope. The number of mitochondria per cell is variable depending on the physiological activity of the cell. In terms of shape and size also, considerable degree of variability is observed. Typically, it is a sausage shape or cylindrical having a diameter of 0.2 to 1.0 micrometer, average 0.5 micrometer and length 1.0 to 4.1 micrometer. Each mitochondrion is a double membrane bound structure with the outer membrane and the inner membrane dividing its lumen distinctly into two aqueous compartments, that is the outer compartment and the inner compartment. The inner compartment is called the matrix. The outer membrane forms the number of infolds called cristae towards the matrix. The cristae increase the surface area. The two membranes have their own specific enzymes associated with the mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the site of aerobic respiration. They produce cellular energy in the form of ATP, hence they are called powerhouse of the cell. The matrix also possesses single circular DNA molecule, a few RNA molecules, ribosomes, 70S, and the component required for the synthesis of protein. The mitochondria divide by fission. Thank you.